Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Sam. So today I'll be sharing with you guys how to use contemporary chords in worship. So I'll be taking the 514 progression today and I'll be showing you guys how to apply it to worship. So I'll be using some songs. So please, if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to get the channel going. Thank you. Okay, now on the key of F sharp. The 514 progression, okay, now it's simply your so do fa. So let me play the progression here now. Let me play it slowly. Where's your Now let me take this song for an example. This popular song, "To God Be the Glory." To God. To God be the glory. And I play the song the normal way. Well, now let me apply the progression. To God be the glory, great things He has done. Now we want to go to which is we're going to the 4. To love it, that 4 that He gave us His song. We're going to the 4 now. To God. Now that's where the progression comes in. Which is to love Him. To God be the glory, great things He has done. To love it, I wanna be. La la. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Let our hand hear His voice. Praise the Lord. So anytime you're going to the 4, that's where we use the 514. Because when I was playing just now, so love it, that one that He gave us His Son. Because anytime you're going to the 4, da da, which is your da 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 da. So that's it. Anytime you're going to the 4, that's where you use the 514, which is your. Okay, there's still this other song in Africa, which is okay. Let me on key sharp. On key, all I have is you, we never done it. All I have is you. Okay, guys, don't mind my voice. I'm a keyboardist, so I don't sing in church. I only touch keys. So I'm trying to sing this so that you guys will get the progression. All I have is you, in heaven and earth. All I have is you, Jesus. All I have is you. I didn't use the 514, but now watch how we use the 514. All I have is you, in heaven and earth. All I have is you. All I have is you, in heaven and earth. All I have is you, Jesus. Okay, now you guys saw I use for ending Jesus. Jesus, 514. Jesus, all I have is you. Jesus, all I have is you. song for an example. Okay, now the third song is still an African song. The question is sing you are the holy living God. Yes, you are. Sing you are the holy living God. Yes, you are. We praise you, Jesus. We adore you. Okay, now I was just playing it the normal way. So now let me apply the 5-1-4. Sing you are the holy living God. Yes, you are. So the whole essence of the question is that whenever a song is going from your 1 to your 4 or from your 2 to your 4, anyhow it is, you are allowed to use your 5-1-4. And this is one out of dozens of 5-1-4. This is just the first basics 5-1-4. There are other 5-1-4, so let's not go into that for now. So let's learn this one first, guys.